In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy the Battle Pass in Genshin Impact for the cheapest price right here in India. If you're an avid player looking to save a bit of money while enhancing your gaming experience, you're in the right place. Follow along as we dive into the simplest, most cost-effective method. First up, we'll be utilizing a third-party marketplace called Kalios. This platform is known for offering some of the best deals on digital goods, including the Battle Pass for Genshin Impact. Make sure you are logged into your Kalios account first. If you don't have one, you can easily create it on their homepage. Once logged in, head over to the settings to make a few crucial adjustments. This will help you find the best deals tailored for your location. Begin by navigating to the language settings on the Kalios website. This section is usually found at the top right corner of the page. Here, you want to select your preferred language. Doing this makes it easier to follow any prompts or instructions that might show up during your purchase. Now, this next step is vital if you're aiming to snag the Battle Pass at the best price in India. You'll want to change your location to India if it's not already set. This ensures that the prices you're viewing are localized, meaning you're seeing them in Indian rupees rather than defaulting to another currency. After you've changed your location, make sure you select Indian rupees as your currency. This can save you from unnecessary conversion fees or confusing pricing details. Don't forget to click on Save Settings before proceeding. This confirms all the changes you've made regarding language, location, and currency, paving the way for a smoother transaction process. Once everything is set up, go ahead and type Genshin Impact Battle Pass into the search bar. This step is straightforward and will direct you to the specific listings related to the Battle Pass. Click on the search result for Genshin Impact. There, you'll find a variety of options for purchasing the Battle Pass, including the Gnostic Hymn or Chorus, which are often packed with additional rewards and bonuses. Remember, using platforms like Kalios can sometimes give you access to special discounts or promotions. It's a handy way to make sure you're getting the most value for your money. And that's it! You've now got the know-how to purchase the Battle Pass in Genshin Impact at the cheapest price available in India. Just follow these steps diligently and you'll be ready to enhance your game without breaking the bank. Enjoy your gaming, and until next time, happy adventuring in Tevat!